Another function of this robot is that it's going to be collecting samples on the surface and to be later taken back to Earth and studied here. How will that work? How is it going to get back to Earth?
To be determined. So there is going to be a caching capability where samples that are first studied by Curiosity are going to be packaged in a way that they can be picked up at a later date and brought back to Earth. We're not quite ready to put boots on Mars yet. That's a goal, but it's a goal that's pretty far into the future. As a step between now and putting boots on Mars, a robotic mission that could pick up those cache samples and bring them back. Why not just go and pick up random samples and bring them back? Why bring these that have been studied by the Perseverance rover, by the 2020 rover? To be able to do additional study on something that's already been studied by a robot is just going to give us a ton of information that we can apply to other studies that have been going on there for years and years. I mean, on back into the Viking days, back in the 70s. So that's why it's being done that way. How it's actually going to happen, there's a lot of different ideas about that. One of the biggest challenges there is how you have enough energy to launch from Mars and get back to Earth. How do you do that? And there's different theories on how that might happen. Do you bring enough fuel with you to be able to get back? Do you use the Martian soil as a source for energy and construct fuel that way? Lots of different ideas. It's being worked on, but step one is to gather those samples and leave them behind so that they can be returned.